Do you have 3CX across multiple devices and are unsure about using them? No worries, we got you because in this video, we'll explain how to make a call using 3CX across all devices. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, Client Account Manager at Intelligent Technical Solutions. In this video, you'll master how to make calls with all possible 3CX devices. We'll go over how to make a call with 3CX on your desk phone. To make calls on a desk phone, pick up the handset, enter the phone number through the dial pad, then press the send soft key. If you want to use the speakerphone, keep the handset on hook. Then press the speakerphone button, enter the number, then press the send soft key. To end calls on a handset, hang up the handset or press the cancel soft key. If you're using the speakerphone, press the speakerphone button or the cancel soft key. If you want to use your headset, first check if the headset is connected. Then press the headset button to activate headset mode. Enter the number, then press the send soft key. To end calls, press the cancel soft key. To put a call on hold, press the hold button while in an active call. To resume a call, press the resume button. If you want to mute yourself while in a call, press the mute button to mute your mic. Whether you're using the handset, headset, or on speakerphone, all these actions remain the same. How to make a call with 3CX on your desktop. To call on the desktop app, click on the dial pad beside the search bar or click on the search icon. Enter the phone number of the person you want to reach or search them by name, extension number, or email address. Then press call. To call on the web client, click on the dial pad in the top right menu or click on the search icon. Enter the phone number of the person you want to reach or search them by name, extension, or email address. Then press call. To put a call on hold, press the hold button. Press it again to remove the call from hold. To mute your microphone while in a call, press the mute button. To end a call on both, press the end call button. How to make a call with 3CX on your smartphone. To make calls, simply dial the number you're calling or look for the contact in your address book at the bottom. Then press the call button. To put a call on hold, press the hold button. Press it again to remove the call from hold. To mute your microphone while in a call, press the mute button. Press it again to open your mic. To end the call, simply press the end call button. Learn more about the different features of 3CX. Check out our videos where we review each one. Thanks for watching this video. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology. See you in our other videos.